Hi everyone, I am Ajay Yadav. So today's date is 11th August 2022 and today's going our topic is check and uncheck exception. So in this video we will learn about types of exceptions. So before going to our topic, first we will see what is exception. So exception is a unwanted and unaccepted condition that's occur at a runtime of the program. And the exception occurs due to some reasons, like whenever user provide invalid data and when JVM run out of memory, etc., and code error, like this. So exception mainly having two types in Java. That is the first one is a built-in exception and second one is a user created exception. So in a built-in exception having two types. First one is a check exception and second one is a uncheck exception. So we will see one by one. First one we will see what is check exception. So check exception means the exception which are checked by a compiler for a smooth execution of a program of runtime, and it is also known as a compile time exception. So the compiler first the compiler check during a compilation process to confirm for whether the exception is handled or not. So the check exceptions are commonly occur exception. So the compiler takes very much care about this exception. On here for a handle exception we can those exception. So we'll example. So next we will see the example is a class main method, and sysout. In sysout we will write in main. So m1 method is m1 call. So sysout out main m1 method. So in sysout in m1 sysout 10 by 10. So sysout is a out m1. So it's a result we will create a uncheck exception, and result will create a not exception. So next we will see uncheck exception. So the uncheck exception which are not checked by a compiler and they directly take care by a JVM. So uncheck exception are rarely occur exceptions. So the compiler does not take more care about uncheck exception. So example, suppose in main method sysout we write in main and create method m1, and m1 method in sysout we take m1 and sysout 10 by 0. So it's occur arithmetic exception. So that's all about today's given topic.